Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 3 to power x times 3 to power x is equal to 36. So what is the value of x? Solution from here. This exponential equation is in the form of a to power n times a to power m, which we can express as a to power n plus m. Applying this property, then here we'll have 3 to power x plus x. This is equal to 36. So 3 to power x plus x, this is the same thing as 3 to power 2x. This is equal to 36. To solve for the value of x here, we introduce the logarithms on both sides. So log 3 to power 2x, this is equal to log 36. So log 3 to power 2x, this is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. So applying this power rule property of logarithm, then log 3 to power 2x becomes 2x log 3. This is equal to log 36. So let's divide both sides by log 3 here. So that 2x is equal to log 36 divided by log 3. Now we can express 36 as 9 multiplied by 4. So here we have 2x. This is equal to log 9 multiplied by 4 divided by log 3. So log 9 times 4, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. The next part here, applying this logarithm property, then we'll have 2x. This is equal to log 9 divided by log 3 plus log 4 divided by log 3. From here, we can express 9 as 3 to power 2, and we can express 4 as 2 to power 2. So this implies that here we have 2x. This is equal to log 3 to power 2 divided by log 3 plus log 4 becomes log 2 to power 2 divided by log 3. The next step here, let's proceed from here. Now 2x is equal to log 3 squared divided by log 3 plus log 2 squared divided by log 3. So applying the power property here, we'll have 2 log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 2 to power 2. This is the same thing as 2 log 3 divided by log 3. So let's simplify here. Log 3 and log 3 simplifies, so that here we have 2 plus, now here we have 2. This is log 2. So you have 2 log 2 divided by log 3. This is log 3. Now log 2 divided by log 3, this is actually in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Now applying this logarithm property, then here we have 2x. This is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 to base 3. The next step here is to divide both sides by 2. So that now here, the value of x is equal to 1 plus log 2 to base 3. This is the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall here, we end that 3 to power x multiplied by 3 to power x. This should give us a value of 36. But this actually is in the form of a to power n times a to power m, which we can express as a to power n plus m. And therefore here we have 3 to power x plus x, which is 2x. This should give us a value of 36. Now substituting the value of x here, this is the same thing as 3 to power 2 into the parentheses 1 plus log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 36. So let's open the bracket here. So we'll have 3 to power 2 times 1, this is 2, plus 2 times log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 36. Now, 3 to power 2 plus 2 log 2 to base 3, this is in the form of 8 to power n plus m, which we can express as 8 to power n times 8 to power m. So applying this exponent property, here we have 3 to power 2 times 3 to power 2 log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 36. So 3 squared here, 3 to power 2, this is the same thing as 9. So we have 9 times 3 to power 2, this is the same thing as 3 to power log 2 squared to base 3. This should give us a value of 36. So this implies that here we have 9 times, now 3 to power log 2 squared to base 3, this is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which essentially is supposed to give us a value of a. So this implies that 3 to power log 2 squared to base 3, this is the same thing as 2 squared, which is equal to 4. So here we have 4. Let's substitute this 4 here. So 3 to power log 2 squared to base 3, this is the same thing as 4. This should give us a value of 36. So here you have 9 times 4. This is actually equal to 36, which is equal to 36. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that implies that the value of x, which is 1 plus log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. Like this video